The first, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start the lesson, I want Ramadhani, as usual, to lead the class. Okay, time is yours, Ramadhani. Okay, thank you, Ramadhani. To check your present list first, ya. Okay, Destiara.
Present, Mom.
Yeah, okay, good voice. Derajat.
Present.
Today we are going to study about analytical exposition, ya. Today the topic is about health issue. Well, what picture is it?
Virus.
Yeah, COVID-19. Yeah, this is a virus. Is it dangerous?
Yes.
Okay. Why is it dangerous? Yeah, I have information for you. The cases of COVID-19 are about almost 2 million people for the last 20 of June. It's amazing. So we have to be careful. Yeah, don't forget to wear your mask. And then we have a new variant of COVID-19. It's called as Delta. The characteristic, if you get COVID-19, you will get cough and then lost sense of smell. You can smell anything and then you can taste the food and then you feel so very tired, dirty, and then feel confused. And the most common is muscle pain, or in Indonesia you can say greges, ya. Okay, next, see this picture. Save your family. Not only your family actually, but you also about the virus COVID-19. How to be safe from COVID-19. Yeah, how to be safe from COVID-19. So what is corona?
Corona is a virus.
Oh yeah, good. Corona is a virus. What should we do to be safe from corona?
Wear your mask.
Wear your mask. Okay. Wear your mask. Okay. Now we are going to study about analytical part with the new text. The title is How to be safe from COVID-19. Well, the first, if you want to make analytical exposition, first you have to pay attention with generic structure. First is
Tesis,
and the next,
argumen,
and the third,
reiteration.
yeah, reiteration. Okay, let's reopen the first thesis. COVID-19 health protocol violators should be sanctioned. Yeah, this is a topic of paragraph. Why violators should be sanctioned? Because as we know, some people ignore wearing masks and keeping their distance. Virus increases in our country. This is called as the reiteration or the conclusion. By seeing this argument, in conclusion, this virus is dangerous. So we don't ignore the rule from government by wearing masks and keeping protocol of healthy. If you want to make analytical exposition, you have to use expressive feeling. You have to use now. Yeah. As we know, some people ignore wearing masks and keeping their distance. Realize COVID-19 is dangerous, yeah. And then the third thing, I think people do the health protocol for safety. Okay, next, causal conjunction. As a result, because, by, consequently, despite, due to, for the reason. You have to use this one if you want to connect from one sentence to other sentence. For example, because they don't obey it. And then in an argument, you can use first and second. For example, argument for the paragraph 1 or the paragraph 2. So, analytical exposition is, let me ask you to read Yuliawan.
It is I meant to persuade the reader that the idea is an important matter.
Yeah, it's a type of text that elaborate the writer idea about phenomenon or situation. This is the meaning of analytical. If this one, it is the aim. Yeah, the aim, the goal, the function of analytical exposition to persuade the reader that the idea is important matter. So this is the definition. Analytical is about a text that elaborates the writer's idea. But the function, the goal, is to persuade the reader that the idea is important matter. Next, if you want to make analytical, you have to use simple present, yeah. There are some type here, positive, negative, interrogative. For the first, you have to use verb 1 or verb S. Verb 1, you have to use I, you, we, they. And he, she, name, or singular, you have to use verb S. Okay, I have this sentence. We wash the hand after you go out from the house. I want to ask Rahmanita. We wash the hand. Which one is the verb?
Wash.
Yeah, okay, good. Wash. The activity, yeah. The activity is called as verb. Next, if we want to make it in negative, you have to use do not and doesn't. Do not for I, you, we, they. And doesn't, he, she, it, and singular. Now, I have the sentence, we wash the hand after you go out from the house. After
We don't
Yeah,
wash
we
the
don't.
hand after you go
Yeah.
out from the house.
Okay, good. We don't wash the hand after you go out from the house. Okay, next. Government give sanction. You have to use S. So it called as verb S. Yeah, government give sanction. If I want to make it in negative, we have to use don't or doesn't. The
Doesn't.
subject is
Doesn't.
government. Yeah, okay, good. So the sentence will be government.
Doesn't give
Yeah,
sanction.
yeah, okay, good. Government doesn't give sanction. Yeah. Next, this is for adjective. Yeah, okay. So this is simple present. Next, okay, now arrange the word into good sentence. Water big has season of healthy. Yeah, anybody want to try? Your job just arrange, yeah? Arrange the word into good sentence. The first word is water.
Has
Yes, and then
big
big. After big,
reason
reason. Okay, good. And then the last, of course,
of healthy.
of healthy. Okay, number 4, the last. Yeah. Boy, what's your name?
Zelvis.
Okay, Zalvis. Yeah, okay, okay.
Do you like drinking water?
This is positive or interrogative? Ayo.
Interrogative.
Yeah, good. Okay, good. So the conclusion, don't forget using verb 1 or verb S, yeah. Okay. Next. Nah. Okay, now I want you to write analytical exposition text together, yeah. The title is the importance of drinking enough water. This is called as thesis, yeah. The explanation about water. And then water has several functions for our body. It's called as argument. I think the function of water is to digest food and help to transport nutrients throughout the body. Yeah, this is the first function of water. And the second, it helps to improve the kidney and brain function. Besides, water is useful for producing saliva and regulating body temperature. That's why drinking water helps to moisturize our skin. By reading this function, so in conclusion, drinking enough water is important because about 60% of our body is water. It can moisturize our skin, producing saliva, and etc. And now I want you to make sentence in the passive argument and reiteration. This is the clue. Yeah, water is for, water is important or not, moist, lose weight, fresh skin, and then the conclusion. I will send the link through chat box or WhatsApp. Yeah, you have to do it in a group of 3. Yeah, in a group of 3. Yesterday, I had divided you to be some group, yeah, in WhatsApp. Let me send the link first to you, yeah. Let me send the first. Yeah, I have sent the link to chat box. You can copy and then open. Yeah, this is your group. Let me check. Basit, are you there, Basit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are the first group, yeah, group A. Your job, all of you, make sentence, yeah. The title is the importance of drinking enough water, yeah. You finish, you have to tell to me the sentence, yeah. Okay, time is yours. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. I think time is over for writing or for typing the text. So I will ask you the first groupnya. Okay. Which group? Farhan Sulis. Farhan Sulis. Farhan, are you there, Farhan?
Water, water is for sufficient our daily needs.
Daily need. Okay. Reiteration. Yeah.
Drinking
Drinking water
Drinking water
is important.
is important. So this is analytical exposition. There is a thesis, argument, and reiteration. Yeah. For other groups, I have read your sentence in WhatsApp. Okay, good. Now we will continue with this one. I want you to answer the question number 1 until number 5. Yeah. Just make mind mapping. After you do this, send to classroom. I give you just 10 minutes, yeah. Don't too long. I think all of you have done. So I will take Destiara ini. Let me check. So I need the process. Yeah, okay, number 1. The importance of water. The answer, the negative one. That's why drinking water doesn't help. Okay, good. We are going in the last session, yeah. So let me give you review. If you want to make analytical exposition, you have to use thesis, argument, and reiteration. As usual, your last job. Make analytical exposition text about the importance of water in a group of 3 students using mind mapping. Before we close the meeting, I want to see your face. Please turn on your camera first. Thank you for today. Please don't forget to do your job, as quickly as possible. I'm waiting for your task. Don't forget 3 paragraph and use causal conjunction or expressing feeling. 3 paragraph, Okay, thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.